Anytime I'd play with my boat, I would just drag it along the ground. That is until I realized there's a much better way. So I spent the last couple days making the coolest trailer you've ever seen. Alright guys, here's the trailer, up close and personal. Little hitch package, tongue comes back. That thing's slotted for the boat. Just has the loop there, and a pin goes through it, and that's actually what holds the boat on, so there's nothing in the rear. So if I go rolling it or rallying it too hard, I mean, she's gonna flop around, but so be it. Piece of all thread for the axle with like a little sleeve around it so it doesn't look like trash. Guy O'Reilly said it was probably rated for about 800 pounds, so the axle should be good. Tongue comes back to the rails to the boat here, sets on those flat, and then these side posts here, these are actually what keep it centered. So without those, it may go flopping around. Later I do plan on kind of adding some stuff to it, like a little winch for the tongue, maybe a little jack so it can stay up on its own. Maybe some tie downs for the rear, but until now, the only thing left to do, smash that subscribe button, make sure you're tuned in, and we'll see the first time that this boat gets dropped in the water this summer. It's gonna be epic.